Here we go!
Hello! Yahoo! Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning, good morning to you. Hello!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hello! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Are you okay?
Hey! Oh, hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go!
Bye.
Okay.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yay!
We're in trouble now.
Here I go!
Hello. Wow. Amazing.
Don't ask!
Okay.
Whoa! Amazing!
Oh, yes.
Here we go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Here we go!
You're a great team.
Whoa! Amazing!
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. Oh no! Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you. Yahoo!
NANI?!
Hello.
Since you aren't prepared,
Okay.
We are.
yeah!
Amazing. Okay.
Here we go!
Okay.
Let's go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. Bye.
Wow! Congratulations!料理は愛情おいしくバイバイ
Here I go! Cause I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.